Today, Peppa and her family are visiting a very old, magical castle.
Wow! This castle is absolutely gigantic! Does a king live here?
Not anymore, Peppa. Today, we are going to learn how people lived long ago. The first stop is the tall castle wall to see the giant cannons. Welcome to the cannons! Watch me fire a pretend cannonball!
Look out! Cannon!
Boom! Boom!
Roar!
Ready! Aim! Fire! Bang! It is just a loud noise, do not worry! All that exploring has made everyone very hungry for a medieval feast.
Look at all this wonderful food! Baked potatoes and giant pies! This medieval food is yummy!
But what is that strange rumbling noise?
Suddenly, a giant green dragon stomps right into the castle courtyard.
Dragon! Scary dragon!
Do not be scared, George. It is not a real dragon. It is a robot.
Hello there! I am driving the castle's new robotic dragon today. That is amazing, Miss Rabbit! This is the best castle adventure ever!
Peppa and Rebecca are going into the forest to collect mushrooms today.
I hope we find giant mushrooms in the woods.
Let's search near those big trees first. The girls carefully explore deeper into the forest together.
Look at this huge mushroom I found! That's the biggest mushroom yet!
While walking carefully, Peppa suddenly trips over a tree root.
Ouch! I hurt my knee. Don't worry, Peppa. I'll help you.
Rebecca notices a large, soft leaf nearby.
This big leaf can cover your little injury. That feels much better already.
You were very brave after falling down, Peppa.
Thank you for helping me, Rebecca.
The friends continue their mushroom adventure happily and safely together. It is a beautiful day at the park. Peppa and her family have just arrived.
Look, the ducks are hungry. Can we feed them now, Mummy?
Of course, Peppa. I have brought some bread for the ducks.
Quack! Quack! Ducky!
Now, the family goes to find the famous bouncy tree.
Whee!
This branch is just like a trampoline. It is so much fun.
Stand back, everyone. Let an expert show you how to bounce.
Next, the children want to try the monkey bars in the playground.
Look at me! I am swinging like a clever little monkey. Monkey! Help!
Suddenly, it begins to rain. But Peppa and George do not mind at all.
Look, everyone. The rain has made lots of wonderful muddy puddles.
Peppa and George quickly put on their shiny boots.
If you are jumping in muddy puddles, you must wear your boots.
Everyone loves jumping in muddy puddles. Splish, splash, splosh!
Peppa and her family are visiting the amazing outdoor trampoline park.
This is brilliant! I love jumping so much. Bowling! Bowling! Dinosaur jump!
Jumping is not just for children. Stand back, everyone.
Daddy Pig is surprisingly good at bouncing.
Let me try the super bouncy one over there.
Wow, Mummy! You are jumping higher than Daddy!
Whee! This is absolutely wonderful. Watch this. Oh dear. Mummy Pig has jumped a little bit too high. Help! I am stuck in the tree and I cannot get down.
Do not panic, Mummy Pig. We will call Miss Rabbit's rescue service.
Grandpa Pig and Granny Pig are going camping on their old motorbike.
This beautiful motorbike is perfect for a trip to the seaside.
Have a wonderful camping trip at the beach, Grandpa and Granny.
Hold on tight. Here we go to the beautiful seaside.
The old motorbike has a very large, covered sidecar attached to it.
Vroom! Vroom! Bye-bye, bike!
Soon, Grandpa and Granny Pig arrive at the quiet, sandy beach.
This is lovely! But where is our camping tent, Grandpa?
Just watch this. My old motorbike has a very clever magic button.
With a loud pop, the motorbike magically transforms into a cozy tent.
My goodness, that is the most amazing tent I have ever seen.
But wait! I have brought one more special thing in the sidecar. Grandpa Pig carefully pulls out his precious, fully grown raspberry bush.
You brought your raspberry bush to the beach? You are so silly.
Fresh raspberries by the sea. This is the perfect camping trip.
Peppa and her family are in France to visit their friend, Delphine Donkey. Hello, Delphine! I am so happy to see you in Paris! Bonjour, Peppa! Today, we are going to climb the famous Eiffel Tower!
The Eiffel Tower is very tall and made entirely of strong metal.
My goodness, that is an awfully long way up to the top.
Don't worry, Daddy Pig. We will take the special elevator to go up.
The elevator travels quickly up the side of the tall tower.
Up, 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 up! Whee! Flying! Wow! Look at all the tiny houses and winding streets. This is just the middle. Do you want to go to the very top? The very top?
Well, I suppose we must see the very best view.
Finally, they reach the highest observation deck of the Eiffel Tower.
It is beautiful! Paris looks like a giant, wonderful toy city from here.
You were right, Delphine. The view from the top is absolutely magnificent. Hooray for Paris!
Hooray for the Eiffel Tower!
Today, Peppa and her friends are at the indoor mountain climbing center. Wow! These mountains are so high! I want to climb to the very top!
Welcome, climbers. Always wear your safety harness and helmet before going up.
The children start by practicing on the small, easy climbing wall.
Whew! I am a very good mountain climber. Look at me.
I made it! I am the queen of the mountain!
Next to the small walls is a giant, scary wall called Mount Everest. Dinosaur! Up, up, up!
George, be careful. That wall is much too big for a little pig.
But little George is very good at climbing. He scampers up like a little monkey. Whee! High up! Roar!
I am coming up to rescue you, George.
Mummy Pig reaches the top, but then she makes the mistake of looking down.
Oh dear, I feel a bit dizzy. I think I am completely stuck.
Do not worry. The safety ropes will gently lower you both down. Peppa and her family are at the river, but Grandpa Pig is looking very sad.
Oh dear. My beautiful sailing boat has completely sunk into the water.
That is very sad, Grandpa. How will we go sailing on the sea now?
Suddenly, they hear a very loud, humming noise coming from the land.
Ahoy there!
Make way for Grampy Rabbit's magnificent hovercraft!
Wow! Big fan! Noisy! Roar!
This is a hovercraft. It floats on a cushion of air over land and water. That is amazing! Can you take us out to the sea, Grampy Rabbit?
Everyone climbs aboard, and the hovercraft glides smoothly into the water.
Whee! We are not sinking! We are sliding right on top of the water!
Out at sea, they see Captain Dog's boat stuck on a sandy beach.
Help! The tide went out, and my boat is completely stuck in the sand.
Do not worry, Captain Dog. A hovercraft does not need deep water to rescue you.
Grampy Rabbit throws a strong rope and pulls Captain Dog's boat back into the sea.
Hooray! Grampy Rabbit's hovercraft is the best rescue boat in the whole world!
Peppa and George are going to the hill to fly their colorful kite today. Our kite will fly higher than the clouds. Fly, kite!
The wind is very strong today, so be careful. The colorful kite rises beautifully into the bright sky.
Look how high our kite is flying! So high!
Suddenly, a powerful gust of wind pulls the kite hard.
Oh no! The string is breaking! Snap! The kite string breaks and the kite flies away!
Our kite is stuck!
We need to rescue it somehow.
Let's work together and try reaching it safely. After many careful tries, the kite finally comes loose.
Hooray! We saved our kite together!
Peppa and George are playing together in the living room this afternoon.
Dinosaur! Dinosaur! That dinosaur looks really fun, George! Peppa suddenly tries to take the dinosaur from George. Mine! Mine! Give it to me. But I want to play with it too.
The children continue arguing loudly over the dinosaur toy.
What seems to be the problem here?
Peppa took dinosaur.
Sharing toys nicely makes everyone happier.
Maybe we can both play with the dinosaur together. Together.
Soon, the children decide to build something exciting together.
Let's build a giant castle for Dinosaur. By sharing and playing kindly together, Peppa and George have much more fun. Today, Dr. Brown Bear is visiting the playgroup with his ambulance. Wow! What a big, noisy van! What is it for?
It is an ambulance, Peppa. It helps rescue people who are hurt.
Nina!
Nina! Nina! Rescue!
Look inside. We have a special bed called a stretcher.
Ba! Do you have plasters for scraped knees?
Lots of them. Now, I will show you how fast I can run to a rescue.
Dr. Brown Bear runs very fast up the steep hill.
I am very strong and... Whoa! Oh, dear.
Oh no! Dr. Brown Bear is rolling all the way down the hill. Ouch! My ear hurts. I think I need a doctor.
But you are the doctor. We need the ambulance for real. Quickly, children. Let's help Dr. Brown Bear onto the stretcher. There you go. A big plaster for our brave doctor.
Thank you, everyone. It is a very good thing I brought the ambulance today.
Today, two very special guests are visiting Madame Gazelle's playgroup.
Children, please say a big hello to Officer Panda.
And Officer Squirrel. Hello, everyone.
We are police officers, and our job is to help people stay safe.
Do you drive a fast police car with a loud flashing siren?
But today, we are here to talk about bicycle safety. The police officers take the children outside to the playground. To be a safe cyclist, you must always wear a hard helmet on your head.
Yay! I always wear my red helmet. It keeps my head very safe.
Excellent, Peppa. And what should you do if someone is walking in your way?
Whew! You ring your bell very loudly so they can hear you coming.
Ding! Out of the way! Roar!
Very good. Always look straight ahead and pedal your bike carefully.
Because the children listened so well, they all get a special police sticker.
Congratulations, everyone! You are now official safe cyclists.
Thank you, Officer Panda and Officer Squirrel.
We will always drive safely.